Natural ways to cure ear infection easily. Ear infections occur in the space behind the eardrum, which is called the middle ear. Ear infections are more likely to occur after a cold or the other upper respiratory infections that has been present for a few days. During a cold, throat infections, or allergic attack, the tube that connects the throat and the middle ear swells and prevents air from entering in the middle ear. This can create suction, which pulls the fluid into the middle space. The fluid becomes trapped in the middle ear, allowing viruses or bacteria to grow and cause infection. Ear infections are a common occurrence in childhood because the eustachian tube is still developing and it is more horizontal than vertical, which means it doesn't drain effectively. First, salt. Salt is first of all the home remedies for ear infection because it's not only effective but also very easy to find and use. Salt is something you can easily find in your kitchen. Salt has amazing pain relieving properties and it is also a disinfectant. Take approximately 1 cup of salt and heat it. For heating the salt, you can either use a microwave or you can directly give the salt high temperature by placing it on a pan. Once it is hot enough, take a soft cloth and put the salt in the cloth. Take proper care while handling the hot salt. After wrapping the salt in the cloth, tightly seal the open end and check to see whether its temperature is moderate enough to be applied to ear or not. Once it is safe to apply, lie down and give your ear a hot compress with the salt wrapped in the cloth. Put slight pressure on the ear so that it doesn't pain, and at the same time, entire ear gets in touch with the cloth. If you can do this process twice or thrice daily until you get the infection out of the ear, this is the easiest natural home remedies for ear infection. Second, essential oils. There is a thick strip of tissues called vascular strip that runs from the ear canal to the eardrum. If you apply essential oil at the outside of the entrance of the ear, the medicinal properties are absorbed and drawn into the ear. Mix 2 drops lavender and 2 drops tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Apply to the entrance to the ear canal and just behind the ear and in the diagonal line just under the jawbone. Do not let oil run into the ear canal. Repeat treatment often throughout the day, as often as once as hour is fine. Third, garlic oil eardrops. Garlic oil eardrops combines the antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic with an oil, typically olive oil. Place the bottle in some hot water to warm the oil. Never microwave it. Always test the temperature of the oil before use. Place 2 drops in each ear canal and put a small piece of cotton to plug the external opening. You might have to pull on the earlobes to get the drops to flow down the earlobe. Fourth, onion. Onion is famous for its medicinal properties and it is being used to cure a variety of infections since ages. Ear infections is also one of them. Onion is known as pain reliever and also contains antibacterial properties. This makes it a perfect choice for ear infection. Fifth, garlic. Salt was one of the easiest of the entire home remedies for ear infection, but garlic definitely is the most effective one. Garlic has unbelievable antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help in quickly healing the ear infection, making it one of the best home remedies for infection. While the hot compress do its work by soothing the ear from outside, garlic can treat the infection by entering inside. Using garlic cloves for treating ear infection requires it to be heated in the oil.
Thanks for watching.